Hello everybody, this is James Deere from John Deere's Embroidery Legacy, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up your large hooping station from Echidna Sewing. So as you can see, we have all the contents from the box laid across the table. It comes with our instructions, comes with our pins, our twist locks, our panels, our legs, magnets, and all you're going to need for setup is a screwdriver. So to begin setup, we're going to start by taking our pins and inserting them into our panels. Now once they're inserted, we're going to grab our screwdriver and make sure they're securely tightened. Next, we're going to insert our twist locks into the legs. So we're going to make sure that the arrow is always pointing towards the hole on the top or bottom of the leg, depending on which way you're doing it. And simply repeat the process with the other leg. Now that the twist locks are inside of the legs, we're going to grab one of the legs and make sure the locks are pointing outwards. And we're simply going to line them up to the pins and begin tightening them. Now that our first leg is locked in place, we're going to grab the second leg and repeat the process. Now we're going to grab our other panel, line the pins up to the holes in the legs, and repeat the process of tightening the twist locks. Now that the top panel is securely locked to the hooping station, we are ready to go. You can add your magnets and begin hooping. Hope this video helps and enjoy your brand new Echidna Hooping Station.